Today, I'm breaking down the 10 biggest reasons claims fail in India and the exact steps you need to take right now to protect your family's savings. Act 1. Imagine this. You've paid your health insurance premiums for years. You've never missed a renewal. One day, a parent or a child needs urgent hospitalization. The bills start piling up, the doctor says treatment must begin now, and then, the shock comes. A message from your insurer, claim rejected. Not delayed, not under review, fully rejected. In that 1 second, a medical emergency turns into a financial disaster. But why does this happen so often in India? Why do people who think they did everything right still get their claims denied? Today, we are stripping away the insurance speak. I'm going to break down the 10 real reasons claims fail in India, the dangerous myths that could cost you lakhs, and the exact steps you can take right now to make sure your insurance actually works when you need it most. I'm from Vitality Health Works. Let's make sure this never happens to you. ACT 2. The definitions. Before we look at the reasons, we need to clear up one big confusion. Most people in India use the word rejection for everything. But in the insurance world, there are actually 3 different, bad, scenarios. Rejection. This is a hard no. The insurer says they won't pay a single rupee for the treatment. Partial settlement. This is very common. The insurer pays, say, 2 lakh rupees on a 3 lakh rupees bill. You're stuck with the remaining 1 lakh rupees because of things like room rent limits or exclusions, delay. The decision isn't final yet. Maybe a document is missing or the hospital hasn't responded to a query. Knowing which one you are facing is the first step to fixing it. Now, let's get into the 10 reasons why that rejection letter arrives. ACT 3. The 10 reasons. Reason number 1. The secret killer. Reason number 1. Non-disclosure of pre-existing diseases. This is the number 1 reason for rejection in India. Let's say you have a small BP issue or a minor thyroid problem. You buy a policy online and skip the health questions because you think it's not a big deal. Later, you get hospitalized for something else entirely. The insurer checks your old medical records, and they will check and finds that BP history. They reject the claim because insurance is built on utmost good faith. If you weren't truthful at the start, the contract is broken. Reason number 2. The waiting period. Many people think that once they pay the premium, they are covered for everything from day 1. That's a myth. Most Indian policies have a 2 to 4 year waiting period for specific surgeries like cataracts, kidney stones, or hernia. If you file a claim for these in the first year, it will be rejected. Always check your waiting period clause before planning a surgery. Reason number 3. Casual lies, non-disclosure of habits. This isn't just about diseases. It's about lifestyle. If you mark non-smoker to save a few hundred rupees on your premium, but your hospital discharge summary mentions tobacco use, the insurer can treat that as a material mismatch. In insurance, a small lie can become a very big, very expensive problem. Reason number 4. The lapsed policy. This one is heartbreakingly simple. If your card failed, you missed the email, and your policy lapsed, even for one day, the insurer has zero obligation to pay. Never rely on reminders. Set a calendar alert for 15 days before your renewal date. Reason number 5. Exclusions, the not covered list. Not every hospital visit is covered. Cosmetic surgery, dental treatments, unless due to an accident, fertility treatments, or experimental procedures are usually excluded. People often assume that if a doctor recommends it, insurance must pay. That is not true. Coverage depends on your policy document, not the doctor's prescription. Reason number 6. Cashless process failure. In India, cashless is a convenience, not a guarantee. If you go to a non-network hospital, or if the hospital fails to send the pre-authorization form on time, your cashless request will be rejected. You might still get the money via reimbursement later, but you'll have to arrange the cash for discharge yourself. Reason number 7. Missing paperwork. Insurers love papers. If you lose your original discharge summary, or if you don't have the doctor's original prescription for a diagnostic test, your claim will get stuck. Bills alone are never enough. You need the why behind every bill. Reason number 8. Experimental treatments. If you are opting for cutting-edge, robotic surgery or a new age stem cell therapy that isn't yet standard in the eyes of the insurer, they can reject it. Before going for anything advanced, ask the hospital's TPA desk, is this medically established and covered by insurance? Reason number 9. The room rent trap. This is the partial settlement king. If your policy has a room rent limit of 5,000 rupees, but you choose a suite for 8,000 rupees, the insurer won't just cut the extra 3,000 rupees for the room. They will often cut a proportionate amount from the doctor's fees, the surgery cost, and the nursing charges too. This is the fine print that hurts the most. Reason number 10. Billing mismatches. Sometimes the hospital is the problem. If they overbill or provide treatment that doesn't match the diagnosis, the insurer's investigation team will flag it. If the insurer thinks the hospitalization wasn't medically necessary, like staying in a hospital just for basic blood tests, they will reject the claim. ACT 4. What to do if rejected? So, you've received the rejection. What now? Do not panic. Step 1. Get it in writing. Ask the insurer for a formal repudiation letter. It must state the exact clause and reason for rejection. Step 2. Correct the error. If it's a missing document or a hospital billing error, get the corrected papers and ask for a reconsideration. Step 3. The grievance cell. Every insurance company has a grievance redressal officer. Send them a formal email. By law, they have to respond to you. Step 4. The insurance ombudsman. If the company doesn't help, you have a secret weapon. The insurance ombudsman is a government-appointed authority that handles disputes for free. They are very powerful and often side with the consumer if the insurer's reason for rejection is weak. ACT 5. Conclusion and AM. Call to action. The truth is, most health insurance disasters don't start in the hospital. They start years earlier, when we buy a policy in a hurry and never read the fine print. Health insurance in India is a promise, but it's a promise you have to protect with truth and paperwork. Don't wait for an emergency to learn the rules. Your action plan for tonight: find your policy document. Check your room rent limit. Check your waiting periods. Ensure your pre-existing diseases are actually listed. If this video helped you understand the system better, please hit the like button. It helps us reach more families who might be at risk. Comment below. Have you ever faced a claim rejection or a delay? Let's share our stories so we can all learn. And don't forget to subscribe to Vitality Health Works for more practical guides on your health and finances. Stay healthy, stay covered. See you in the next one.